Gun. Gun. All right. So for this one, you'll see more, whether it's static or with movement. In this case, I need to create space. If I need to take that space back, it's the same concept. Gun. Right, so all it is to come up from here and then I just push it through. Okay? So I use a blade, hands come together, north, south, east, west. Now what happens to the orientation of the gun? Now my windage is done. As I present the rest of my hands forward, the muzzle orients to the target and the dot crosses the plane. So side view comes together. That's it.